say that some things aren't too good to be true, but I just hope they ain't talking about you. I heard that everything must come to an end, but I just can't imagine me without you. Me without you.
The end is never the end. A new challenge awaits. A test no man could be prepared for. A new hell he must conquer and destroy. A new level of growth he must confront himself. The machine and the ghost within. This is the journey of the man on the moon.